Hello everyone. Before getting into the Swiss statement, I think we should talk about the ternary operator. So the PHP ternary operators are kind of the shorthand for if else statement. So it actually helps us to make our code more readable and helps us to write less code. So let's see by an example. So as it is an shorthand for if else statement, let's put down a if else statement first. Then we are going to convert this same statement with a ternary operator. So let's create a variable, maybe is user logged in. Let's make it true for now. And now we can run a condition here. If is the user is logged in, then let's say we want to maybe create a variable named title. Let's put a value of logout, and if the person is not logged in, then we are going to show him a title of login. Okay, so let's put the else statement here, sorry, and now the value of the title will be login. Okay, so if the user is login, that means if the value of this variable is true, that means it will run. So then at that case the title will have the value of log out. But if the user is not logged in, that means if the value is false here, then the else statement will run and it will give this the title variable a value of login. Now we can echo the title here. Let's save and refresh. Now we can see logout. If we make it false, that means the user is not logged in. It should type out this one. Let's refresh and log in. So this is how we do it with the if else statement. Now let's see how we can do it with the ternary operator. So let's comment all this out. Actually we are just going to replace the if else statement, nothing else. So I have commented this out. Now let's use the ternary operator here. So for ternary operator we can put the variable name here, which is this title, and now we can put the condition. So in this case the condition is this one. So let's put it. So if it's true, then the next thing will happen. So we need to put a interrogation sign, then this thing right here. So in that case the value will be logout, right? And if not, if this is false, then it will have this condition after this colon will happen. So login. Let's save and refresh, login. If we make it true, then it will be logout. So this is the shorthand. That means if this is true, this condition is true, then this happen, and if this is false, this happens. Okay, now let's use this ternary operator with a little bit more complex condition. So let's create a variable named number, give it a value of 10, and let's create another variable, maybe result, and now we can put a condition, a simple condition inside a bracket here. So let's say if the number is equal to 10, then we want to echo something like the number is 10, and else we want to echo, let's say the number is not 10. Fine, this is the condition. Now we can echo the result here. And now it echoes the number is 10. If we change the number, it is going to echo this one, the number is not 10. So this is the ternary operator of PHP, and in the next video we are going to talk about the Swiss statement. So see you there.